Alright, now in the third video, we will learn about laws of reflection. Okay, now what are laws of reflection? See, there are two laws of reflection, in which first law of reflection states that the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, now I have told you that what are incident rays and what are reflected rays. You can understand the law by this picture. See, this is the mirror. You can see this is a mirror. Okay, if we are learning about reflection, so we need a smooth surface. Okay, so this is a mirror which has smooth surface, and this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray, and the here in the center one it is the normal ray. Okay, and now the angle which is formed between the normal ray and the incident ray, here this one, this will be called as incident angle of incidence. Okay, which will be denoted by small I. Okay, angle of incidence which will be formed here between the incident ray and the normal ray, and angle of reflection which will be formed between normal ray and the reflected ray, it will be denoted by r, small r. So first law states that angle of incidence will be always equal to angle of reflection. Okay, and it has been observed that angle of incidence will always be perpendicular to the angle of reflection. Okay, which means that if I say that this angle of incident and angle of reflection, they both are of 90 degree, it means if we divide them, they both will be of 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree angle I will be of 45 degree and angle R will also be of 45 degree. Okay, so this is the first law which states that angle of incidence will always be equal to angle of reflection. You can denote it like this: angle I is equal to angle R. Okay, now the second law, it states that the angle of the incident ray, which is this one, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal ray, okay, these all lie in a same plane. Okay, if you assume these three rays in a same plane, अगर आप इसे एक सेम प्लेन में अज्यूम करो तो यू विल फाइंड दैट दीज ऑल रेज विल लाई इन अ सेम प्लेन, वो एक सेम प्लेन में होंगी, यानी कि वो एक सेम प्लेन में आएंगी. ठीक है, लाइक दिस दे ऑल विल बी इन अ सेम प्लेन, सेम लाइन में आएंगी, सेम प्लेन में आएंगी, आप कह सकते हो. सो दिस इज अबाउट सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, दैट इंसिडेंट रे, reflected ray and the ray of this normal ray, they all lie in a same plane. Okay, this is second law of reflection.